Hey, this is NK Fabio here to show you I've ordered a battery for my Samsung, and just going to be unboxing that. So yeah, here's the battery. It is for my Samsung replacement, the Gear S3. Yeah, so because the watch is going on low charge quicker, yeah. And other than that, just been doing my ordered like some memory for my computer, just doing all my things, save up so I could do playthroughs through my game, because I'm like quite low on storage as well on my yeah. And yeah, and all that, and that's it. I'll be uploading more YouTube vids and all that. Just be doing all those, and that's it. Thanks for watching.